welcome back with the first ever Lego building video I'm going to do on this channel. So we're going to build a little warehouse from the newest anime, Chainsaw Man. I hope you like it. So you need a base like this. This is only part one of these videos, so you might want to see more. Then you have to make a little Chainsaw Man character. So I use these pieces for the chainsaws. And if you're wondering, it probably won't look like this. You go if you don't have the parts. So now I'm just gonna speed through it. So here we literally have like a platform for Chainsaw Man to go on. And you have like a little package there, you got some lights. And then leave a like and subscribe for more parts. If you guys like this video, like and subscribe. And I hope you go check out my friend's channel, HurtzzzT.T. And like and subscribe, please.